Halle Berry, Halle Berry, Halle Berry. What is it, man? I can't remember the dance. Is it, do you rock with the shoulders or do you go opposite with the shoulders? Because she's holding a mirror and she's looking at herself. She's looking good. What is it? I can't remember though. Halle Berry, Halle Berry. My bad though. No es preguntas. Amigo. Where them girls or boys, you know? We don't discriminate. Man, is that a little too thick now? Is that big enough? I don't think that's big enough because them mirrors, man. Because them mirrors. And why did I go, Broly, why did you have to go all the way up on his butt cheeks? See, now whenever I hear the word butt cheeks, ever, it always reminds me of fit butt cheeks. That chick, what is it, Maria? On this channel, we like Maria, alright? We like Maria. We are pro Maria. I'd vote for Maria, man. I'm putting her name down on the ballot. Fit butt cheeks is what I'm putting down on the ballot. That dude was copping a feel. You see that? He was picking up that shorty, putting her down, but he was copping a feel while he was doing it. I'm telling you, men are disgusting. They're animals. They're disgusting creatures. Why are you swerving? Are you swerving so I can go through? If you are, dude, I will rip you out of your car and make love to you right here and now. Dude, I'm waving to you, dog. Respect the kindness and return it. Why? Why are you guys swerving like this? Watch, Merck's gonna go back into his lane. See? You guys are such ass, man. Such ass. Sir, stay in your lane. Okay, now he was pointing at me, and his chick was looking at me. So chick, I already know from the chick, wants me. Now the guy pointing at me, was that because of the bike, or was it because of me? As conceited and cocky as we are, we're gonna say me and Broly, nobody cares about her. Alright? Nobody cares about her. What up, son? Ride him epic. Oh, I thought I said epic bags. I was about to say epic bags, man, that's cash. Okay, I can breathe a little bit better. Throat still hurting like a mug, but I don't give an F. We're still gonna talk. I just gotta open my mouth. Why are my videos so long and so many of the same ride? Because I talk a lot, because I love to talk, because I love to hear myself talk. I got so much to say, I gotta spread it to the world like a virus. No pun intended. Prius, I don't trust you. You a blonde, but you an old blonde like a mom blonde. And not a MILF blonde, but just a mom blonde. I don't trust you. What about? Spreading love, not hate, right? I like that little color stripe thing going. Makes you look unique. Stupid, but unique. What is that, Dreamcatcher? What's with these chicks in Dreamcatchers? Racing. Saw that? But both of them, not worth our time. Both of them, I'm 100% sure, not M-series. So, not worth our time. ¿Cómo estás? Alright. Tu pinche pendejo. Right? I got it right that time, right? A lot of people are like, how do you, when you learn a new language, you gotta learn how to curse? Nah, man, you gotta learn the key words like booty, ass, you gotta learn words like that, butt cheeks, girls, I love you. Those are the words that I want to learn in every language. I don't want to learn curse words in every language. If any of you guys are cursing me out in different language, have I ever given a single F about any of that stuff? No. I only care about myself. Alright? As selfish as that may seem, I am selfish. I'm the definition of selfish. Alright? I just want to learn them trigger words. And not trigger of like, oh, trigger like, you know, gotta get someone angry. No. Trigger words of love. I want to trigger love. That's what I want to do with my words. In different languages, I want to trigger love. Not hate, but love. Boys or girls. So that's the big thing that's kind of tough in other languages. Is like, as in culissimo, like big, it's butt, right? But is that for girls or boys, man? I want to know them both. We rock both ways, man. We go after pretty. I'm not saying pretty girls or pretty boys. We go after pretty. Anything pretty, I go for it. That's what I mean by rock both ways. Don't take it the wrong way. Take it both ways. Alright, I think I'm talking too much and not much is happening. Huh? My bad, not much is happening. No, that's not even say it. When I force it, I can't say it correctly. What was I gonna say, man? I talk so much, I forget what I was gonna say. 14? No, that's an R1. I think, yeah. Could I fit through that hoe? No, I don't think I could. Oh, that's good. That's good. It was nice to give me a spot, but yeah, I'm cool. They got, it's a little bit tight up there, so I'm not gonna do it. Oh, there's a dude on the guitar singing. You know what, F it. I'm gonna just go. That's what I didn't want to do. I like that though. They're in the back of the truck on a guitar just singing. But now what they singing, that's what the real question is. What they singing. Can I get some of my homies singing rap? Put me in the back of that truck. Man, see, if I ran for president, or not president, if I ran for that political crap, man, you guys would know I would have the illest, like I would have the sickest, sickest, oh God. I wouldn't have the sickest hurricane, but I would have the sickest, like, platform. But we'll talk about that one day. You guys already know, if we were running for anything, Congress or any of that stuff, I don't even know, what is it called? Running for office? Oh, running for office. It would just be big booty girls everywhere, ripped dudes, ghetto music. Life would just be totally different. Twerk contest. It would just be a totally different thing. Supercars, exotics. What you want, dog? White Huracan, man. That's what he is on. More gyms across the country. Many stations of working out located everywhere. Like just think like a parking meters. We would have like dumbbells. We would have like chest machines, hammer strength, Smith machines. I'm not against Smith machines. I'm for Smith machines. Oh, he kissed his fingers and he went like that. Yeah, I'm gonna steal that. I'm gonna give him credit though, but I'm gonna steal that hoe. Oh, man, look at that scarecrow, dog. Scarecrow with a pumpkin face, bent over like that, like he don't give an F. Yoga pants would only be given to, you would have to pass a test to buy yoga pants. A body test. Dudes or chicks in floppy yoga pants anymore. I'm gonna let that one go, dog. I'm gonna let that one go, alright? Alright, I'm gonna let that one go. I'm gonna let that one go. You don't disrespect Nimbus. You don't disrespect Kakarot, nor do you disrespect my girl, Broly, like that. But I'm gonna let that one go. I'm gonna let that one go. Look back all you want, dog. Make sure it wasn't a Hellcat. I'm gonna let that one go. Ducati multi-shot it. You gotta point out more Ducatis nowadays. That's an R6. Yeah. What is that? The blue Raven edition or whatever? Nah, Raven is black. This was the blue one. I forgot the colorway's name. Like honestly, I'm not like, this is not, you know, plug-in or anything like that, but if you want an R6, the older generations, my generation, basically 2008 to 2016, you guys got to get that motodynamic headlights. It brings a little new school to old school, so you guys really got to do that. My throat is just like throbbing right now. It is throbbing right now. A lot of people ride around with these tires. Aren't these supposed to be like replacement tires or something, or tie-dye tires or something? I don't know what it's called, but why do people drive around with this? Shouldn't you fix it because you can't go on a certain speed and all that sort of stuff? I see people blazing on these hoes. Man, that dude almost hit, that Porsche guy almost hit that van. You making U-turns is such an easy thing to do in a car. I know on a motorcycle it's kind of hard, but in a car it's so easy. You just gotta turn a freaking steering wheel. It's so simple. There's no, you know, weight balance or looking where you're going, any of that crap. Oh, that's a GT coupe. GTR coupe? Mercedes AMG GTR coupe. Something like that. Oh, come on, dog. I do not want to handle this. This is not the time for this right now. Seriously, people, you are stopping in the middle of the damn road. Ooh. Ooh. Mercs. Bentley. Oh, we got the expensive crew out. Okay, sir, you are such a hoe. You are such a hoe. Look both ways, homie. So we saw a couple of rolls, things like that. People, 911 Carrera T. Please, God, please don't hit me. Don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please, Alfa Romeo, Matt. Please don't hit me. Please, I'm gonna go through this flag. I'm gonna go through this flag. Ah, dang it, it moved right when I was gonna. Chopper Fest, homie. Blocking the lane, thank you, dog. Dude, while you're running, you're gonna make it. Are you that wet for the rally? Oh my god, look at that traffic. Yeah, we're not coming back here. F this. Why are people stopping in the middle of the goddamn road shoulder and stuff? What up, shorty? No, I got kids. Never mind. See, I'm effed up today. Something's really wrong with me today. My throat is like closing up on me. And the sun is burning my left eye or right eye or whatever. I can't even fold these hoes. There's a bus up there, so I don't want to take a chance and get stuck behind the bus. Can we get it? You have a horn! Calm down, dog. Ooh, I like them thick tires, dog. You can barely see over the steering wheel. Well, that's a demon, dog. No. Hellcat. It was a Hellcat. So if you ever wondered how it feels to get stuck in a rally, well, you're about to find out. F this so hard. I'll figure out what happens when I come next to the, Oh, never mind. Enough space. Thank you. I swear if that chopper guy is behind me, he was then waiting for me. Don't honk my... Was your hand broken? I won't hurt you, dog. So yeah, if you ever felt, want to know how it feels like to get stuck at a frickin' rally when there's two frickin' lanes, this is how it feels. Shorty, you need to stop eating, or someone just, you know, about to pop something out of you. I think she's pregnant or fat. Can't tell. I'm gonna go with fat because it's funnier. Okay, Chopper is next to me. All right, this dude. Ah, AMG GT. But it's a GTC, not a GTR. Man, I am burning up for you, baby. Hey, Honky Town. I don't know why I said that. Trace Atkins or something like that. Dude, GTR for fun. Oh, that is a GTR. I thought it was a GTC. What up, dog? Well, that was a nightmare, man. Especially Broly, she getting angry, I can tell you that much. She does not like being part of rallies. I don't care what side it is, do not put me into rallies, dog. I can only lane split, and I figured out, like, hey man, you can lane split as much as you want. I can, but GTR is it's blazing. Only a little bit though. These can't fold in, so I gotta be careful. And that was just a nightmare though. This channel is only and only for Bootsy.